Here's Chavez. He lost one to deep left. Willingham back. Track. Wall. Leaps. See ya. The umpire waited. Willingham didn't show him the glove, and the ball got over the leaping try. So a home run for Chavez, and it's 6-0 Yankees.
Well, the bottom of the order getting it done for the Yankees. Ibanez his 18th. Chavez now his 14th. And going against traffic the other way. A good sign for Eric Chavez. Willingham up against the wall. He leaps just out of his reach. As you said, the third base umpire, Kerwin Danley, took a lot of time before he made that home run call.
Well, Ron Gardenhire will take the ball from the starter Liam Hendriks. And this one that just eluded the try of Willingham is the one that finally sent Hendriks to the shower.